Claudia, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing a new release from a brand called OnePlus 9, and this is the Pro model, so it's the flagship. I've never seen this phone before, so it's not a mainstream phone compared to Apple or Samsung, but I have heard that the performance and quality on this phone is really good, but that the camera was lacking quality in the previous versions, and that's why there's a partnership with Hasselblad. Hasselblad is a camera company, so this is why the camera is expected to be so much better on this phone. I have came across this phone from other YouTubers, but also when I was looking for new releases this year. Apple has disappointed us. I am not hearing anything about a new release, no iPad, no MacBook, nothing. Apple doesn't really give us much updates, so I thought I'd explore other upcoming tech in the meantime, and I am pretty happy I found this phone because it does look really interesting. The phone I have ordered is OnePlus 9 Pro with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, and that's a lot of storage, and I didn't really want that much storage, but with the pine green, that was the only option available in the UK. Not sure about other countries, maybe it's different, but with this color that was the only storage option, and other colors had the smaller storage. But I did like the pine green. It just resembled from my 11 Pro. A wireless charger was also included with this order, so this is quite nice. I'll give the price details on here. It's a 50 watts charger, so that will be really impressive to see how fast the phone is gonna charge, because I've only heard of like 10 watts chargers being wireless. So let's start with the phone, and to start off with, the box is a lot bigger and a lot thicker than our favorites, Apple and Samsung. The box is really premium quality. Wow. Here's the phone. Wow. It's like just bam. It's not like dipped or anything. It's just like it throws at you. Let's just take this phone out. So we're gonna put the phone on the side. Let's look at the box more properly. Oh my gosh. Comes with a case as well. What? I didn't even know. Full of surprises, because it comes with a wire, with a charging wire, but also it comes with an adapter. That's why the box was so big. I forgot about the leaflets. Okay, I'm not sure why they've made the leaflets so big. Oh wow, this is cool. So like a little introduction to the phone, which is really nice. Let's look at the phone more closer up. Okay. Ooh. This does not look like green to me. It looks more like blue. Like a bluish color. Let me just take out my 11 Pro case and show you. I thought this was going to be more on the greenish side, but it's more like a... yeah, it's not the same for what I expected for the green to be. So I do like the feel of this phone. It's so smooth. I'm not getting any fingerprints, which is nice. I have heard that the other colors of this phone draws a lot more fingerprints, so this is a very good positive on the pine green. And I do love the glass edges of the phone. This makes it look even more premium and does remind me of the Samsung S21 Plus. At the bottom we do have the SIM card, the charger, and the speakers. On the sides we have interesting buttons which are a little bit different. So I'm guessing the sound, this is for the sound, which has like a pattern on the button to slide it up and down. And it's also quite good because you can distinguish which button is for what. I'm not a fan of these thin buttons on this side. I don't really like the thin design, but you do also have to consider the phone is quite thin. It's very light as well. I didn't expect this to be so light for a Pro model, but I do like the screen. how the edges sort of blend. This screen is 6.7 inches, but it doesn't really feel like it's 6.7 inches, which is very weird because it's just so comfortable to feel in your hand. Maybe because it's so thin that you don't even realize how big it is. And so 6.7 inches is the same as a 12 Pro Max and also S21 Plus. So I am very shocked at how they've done it. It's so comfortable in your hand. It's very good for small hands like mine. I can comfortably move it around. The phone doesn't slip out of my hand, like not at all. I'm still gonna use the case, but this is the most comfortable I have been with a phone. But I'm a little bit surprised, I guess shocked, that the front camera is on the side. It's not in the middle, it's on the side. I do take quite a lot of photos from the front camera, and I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how it's gonna look if I kind of need to kind of tilt the phone in a weirder way for the camera to catch my angle. I don't know, but I guess it would improve using my experience of the phone, of the screen, because the camera's like not in the way of anything. I am very surprised at the camera. It looks really nice. I do really like this overall design of the camera. I do like the silver lining of the lenses, so they definitely, Hasselblad has definitely improved. I also like how the Hasselblad name is on there. It makes the phone feel like it's an exclusive phone because it's like a collaboration. So let me just set up the phone. So all the useful apps have been downloaded already. We got the game, YouTube, and also Netflix because it needs to be there. I'm not sure if I like the keyboard. It's very sort of small. I feel like it should be a little bit higher maybe because it's, I don't know, I guess it is comfortable to type with one hand, but it's just like I'm used to the keyboard being a little bit higher. I'm not sure. Alright, I think we should take this phone out and take some pictures. But before I go, I'm just going to open the wireless charger and see how this looks. Oh, it has a nice opening. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That was not a good unboxing I just done. Oh wow, I didn't know it was gonna come out like that, but that's the charger, that's the wireless charger. Wow, this is a pretty cool charger. It's got a nice design. It can charge up your phone just in 43 minutes. Wow, I really love the animation on the phone when it charges. I think that's like my favorite part. Did you guys see the Touch ID? That's pretty cool, like the animation on the touch screen. That's awesome. I didn't even notice that before. And so that is the end of the unboxing stage for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Do let me know what you guys thought of this new phone. Also, comment down below if this is the first time you're hearing about OnePlus 9. I do want to know how known this phone is. And so I will be using this phone on a more of a day-to-day basis to give you more of a review later down the line. And so if you are not subscribed, do subscribe to stay in tune for those videos if you are interested. And from the first impressions though, I can see that this phone is very premium. It's really good to hold, very light, so I'm really excited to see how efficient this phone actually is. And I think that this phone should be more known, as so far it has impressed me. And so do wait on the review if my opinions change otherwise. But that is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to leave it a like if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a lovely Easter, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.